Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dayton, Ohio and Monday Night Raw. Michael Cole and Jerry the King Lawler here at ringside. And just 24 hours ago at the Royal Rumble, Big Show and Cody Rhodes' startling actions allowed the world's largest athlete to capture the World Heavyweight Championship.
Well, you know, ordinarily I wouldn't take anything from Big Show. I mean, he's been champion a bunch of times. But let's face it, Big Show showed his true colors last night when he turned his back on the WWE.
And now it looks like we're going to hear from these turncoats.
Look who's turned on WWE.
Shocking, Big Show. Absolutely shocking. Why would you do such a thing?
Well, my dashing friend, I love WWE. I've competed here for over 10 years. The thing is, a man of my stature loves two things even more: money and power. So, when Kevin Nash approached me and reminded me of the bankroll I made in the NWO, I knew from a business standpoint, this was the only decision.
And as for me, this is without a doubt the most lucrative move I've ever made. You see, I actually got a call from Arn Anderson, who tried to convince me to join this group because of my family ties to WCW. My father, Dusty Rhodes, was one of the greatest competitors to ever step foot in a WCW ring. I'm proud of my dad's legacy. And then, Big Kev came at me with a few sacks of cash to seal the deal. Now that's truly the American dream.
My God, it's The Undertaker. The Undertaker has had enough.
Oh, no!
Well, Cody, the Phenom doesn't look so phenomenal now, does he?
They're pouring up for the back.
Cody's running away, but there's still Vader, Arn, and Big Show here.
This conflict is getting out of control.
It's been out of control, Michael, and it looks like Undertaker is the latest victim.
RKO from out of nowhere.
Not this.
He's looking at it again. RKO! Here we go. RKO. Orton's gone berserk. No, oh no. Orton! Orton!
Orton's finally punted one of these legends back to the 80s.
God.
Good grief!
Big Show, like a locomotive, just drove Orton right through the stairs.
Oh, and Randy Orton isn't moving.